the first one of daily routine. So you can tell me daily routine sentences first.
Daily routine. So first we say good morning at the morning at the. So first I wake up early in the morning, then I get up, then I wear sleeper, then I wash time, then I make my to-do list, then I brush my teeth, then I take bath, then I clean my room, then I wear casual clothes, then I pray to God early in the morning. After I eat a healthy breakfast, after I ready for school, then I take a bath, then I go to school and do prayer in the ground. After the classes were held, we take all classes and study, and we learn the classes and go to lab and learn the computer, how to run Excel and etc things. After the coming school, then I fresh up. After I take some cookies, snacks. After I wear the casual, I take nap. I take a short nap. After I while laughing, after I study tuition and learn the topics, data and recording videos, etc. At the weekend days, after I cycling. After the tuition, I do I do cycling because cycling is my favorite sport. Then I at the evening I pray to God. Then I drink milk. Then I do some exercises, and after at the night take our dinner and study and check my to-do list and go to sleep. Thank you. That's my
Tell,
daily routine.
tell me types of lenses.
Lenses are type covering glass and decovering lens. Covering lens, convex, biconvex, plane convex, positive, missinus. Diverging lens, concave, biconcave, plane concave, and negative missinus.
Tell me some detail of the human body facts. Largest organs of the body.
Largest organ of the body is skin.
Largest internal organs.
Liver,
Total number of muscle.
630 plus.
Longest bone.
Longest bone, femur.
Smallest bone.
Stapes.
Hardest bone.
Hardest bone, teeth.
Smallest muscle.
Smallest stapes.
Largest muscle.
Gratulus.
Number of bones.
Number of 26.
Filter of the body.
Filter of the body, kidney.
Pump of the body.
Heart.
Tell me normal heartbeat.
Normal heart is 72 per minute.
Total number of vertebrata.
No, 33.
Normal body temperature.
37 degrees Celsius.
Normal respiratory rate.
16 to 20 per minute.
Normal blood pressure.
Normal blood pressure 120 to 80.
Number of the ribs.
12 pairs.
Total number of the bones in arm.
In arm, 30.
Total numbers of bone on leg.
29.
Strongest muscle.
Strongest
Muscle.
muscle, jaw muscle.
Largest element.
Largest element, oxygen.
Water of body.
Water of body is 65 to 75%.
Spinal nerves.
31 pairs.
Volume of blood.
Volume of 5 to 6 liters.
Most common blood types.
Most O positive and A positive.
Least common blood types.
AB negative.
Largest part of the brain.
Largest cerebellum.
Dual gland.
Dual gland, pancreas.
Largest cell.
Nerve cell.
Gestation period.
It's 267 days.
Largest artery.
Largest artery, aorta.
Largest vein.
Infantry vein cava.
Longest muscle.
Longest muscle. Longest muscle, stereus.
Largest gland.
Largest gland, adrenal. Liver, sorry, liver.
Mass of brain.
Mass of 1.4 kg.
Mass of liver.
Mass of liver 1.4 kg to 1.8 kg.
Mass of heart.
Mass of heart 1.4 kg.
Which kidney is the lower?
Oh, sorry. Mass of heart is 340 grams in man and 250 grams in woman.
Which kidney is lower?
Right kidney is lower.
Which lungs is largest?
Right lung is larger.
Joint in human body.
230.
Length of the small intestine.
Length is 25 feet.
pH of the blood.
7.2 to 7.4.
Biggest planet.
Biggest planet to Jupiter.
Smallest planet.
Mercury.
Nearest planet of the sun.
Nearest planet of the sun is Mercury.
Farthest planet from the sun.
Neptune.
Nearest planet of the earth.
Venus.
Brightest planet.
Venus.
Brightest star in after sun.
Ceres.
Planet with the maximum satellite.
Maximum satellite Saturn.
Coldest planet.
Coldest planet Neptune.
Hottest planet.
Hottest planet Venus.
Heaviest planet.
Heaviest planet Jupiter.
Red planet.
Mars.
Biggest planet.
Biggest planet Jupiter.
Biggest satellite.
Biggest satellite Ganymede.
Smallest satellite.
Deimos.
Blue planet.
Earth.
Morning evening star.
Venus.
Earth twin.
Earth twin Venus.
Green planet.
Green planet Neptune.
Planet with the big red spot.
Big red spot is Jupiter.
You can tell me. Earth atmosphere layer.
Oh. Troposphere, mesosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere.
Tell me national symbol. National bird.
National bird peacock.
National animal.
National animal Royal Bengal tiger.
National anthem.
National anthem Jan Gan Man.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National flower.
National flower lotus.
National currency.
Rupee. Indian rupees.
National reptile.
National king cobra.
National flag.
Tiranga.
National calendar.
Shaka.
National sentence.
National Jai Hind.
National river.
Satyameva Jayate, sorry, Satyameva.
National river.
National river Ganga.
National tree.
National tree banyan tree.
National aquatic animal.
National aquatic animal dolphin.
National sport.
National sport field hockey.
National fruit.
National fruit mango.
National heritage animal.
Elephant.
National microbes.
Lactobacillus delbrueckii.
Tell me types of cell.
Types of cell:
Cell.
stem cell, plant cell, nerve cell, sex cell, stem cell, nerve cell, blood cell, white blood cell.
Tell me types of tissue.
Tissues: epithelial tissue, muscles tissue, connective tissue, nerve tissue, blood tissue, meristematic tissue.
Tell me some detail about the doctors. Doctor of heart.
Cardiologist.
Doctor of skin.
Doctor dermatologist.
Doctor of bone.
Doctor of bone, orthopedic.
Doctor of brain.
Doctor of brain, neurologist.
Doctor of child.
Doctor of child, pediatrician.
Doctor of eyes.
Doctor of eyes, ophthalmologist.
Doctor of teeth.
Doctor of teeth, dentist.
Doctor of kidney.
Doctor of kidney, nephrologist.
Doctor of surgery.
Doctor of surgery, surgeon.
Doctor of cancer.
Doctor of oncologist.
Doctor of mind.
Doctor of mind, physician.
Doctor of liver.
Doctor of liver, hepatologist.
Doctor of women.
Doctor of women, gynecologist.
Doctor of stomach.
Doctor of stomach, gastrologist.
Doctor of ear.
Doctor of ear, ophthalmologist.
Doctor of lungs.
Doctor of lungs, pneumologist.
Doctor of animal.
Veterinarian.
Very good.